Hi Sagittarius, I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. You can also visit my website www.tarotbyanisha.com, and this is your monthly forecast for January 2016. Happy New Year, Sagittarians. We begin the month with Mercury that is going retrograde, and it is going retrograde in a part of your chart that speaks about your earned income. It speaks also about your sense of self-worth. Now during this time, the coming 3 weeks, it's a time wherein that it's not only a great time to be getting involved in risky businesses, wherein that you're tempted to sort of put in money where you're not sure, or maybe where the stakes are too high. But it's really a time wherein that you need to be reallocating your resources, Sagittarius. You need to be looking at the monies as to how it is that you can make them work the best for you. It's a time wherein that you could be you could be sort of be looking at your money, and you could be redesigning things as well. Maybe your finance portfolio, maybe you could be looking at an investment that has long since been dead, and you could be pulling it out and liquidating it. And the core of this particular Mercury retrograde for you is that less is more. And especially when you're streamlining your operations, and even if it has to do with reshuffling the way that you present yourself on a day-to-day basis in order to become a better part of the flow of life around you. So ensure that you're not sort of overstretching yourself. Ensure that you're looking at currently as to how is the best possible way that you can tap into your resources and make them work for you. We have Mars that is moving to Scorpio from 5th, and it is there till about March, and it's there in your behind the scenes activity, and you could get quite active as far as charity is concerned. And we have Jupiter that is going retrograde in a part of your chart that speaks about your career and reputation. Now, Jupiter per se in any form is not bad, and all it's going to be doing is that maybe you will not be able to experience the expansiveness what normally your Jupiter brings to the house. But this is really a time wherein that you are going to be it's a good time wherein that you should focus on re-looking at projects that you're working on. It speaks about revamping the work that you have currently. Don't try and start something really new. And it's also time wherein that you can flesh out your public persona and reputation by sort of righting the past wrongs over here, and all the mistakes that you could have made. And it's also a good time to be preparing for the changes that you wish to make, but sort of hold them till the time that Jupiter goes direct. We have a new moon as well in mid-month, and that is there in Capricorn, and it's just going to be heightening your sensitivity to the world of five senses, and also your physical environment, and the security that you gain from the solid ground that you have built for yourself in order for this particular period of time. And you could be very attuned to the world at large around you. You could be very tuned into the people around you, what it is that is got created, or maybe even it could be material wealth, what it is that you have been able to create for yourself materially out of life. This time as well, during the new moon, it can be that some financial issues even come to focus during this time, and it's wise to be setting some very realistic goals for yourself. And it's a wonderful time to be taking moments to sort of make yourself feel happy and just sort of indulge a bit. We have Sun that is moving to your house of your earned income and your self-worth as well, and Sun is going to be just coming up and lighting up this place, and so there can be this sense of self-validation about your own capabilities, and you would be feeling quite sure and quite positive about what it is that you can deliver. We have a full moon, and this is towards the end of the month, and it speaks about bringing your attention to the logical world of reason, and it can be that you could feel sort of that you're being really tested, Sagittarians, and your impulses and faith matter, and all the attention that you've been giving to the mundane affairs, it could have you wondering whether you're going to be having some fun or not, or it's just going to be this endless battle that you have to sort of chase and work hard. So over here, really, this month is also about taking a leap of faith. So evaluate your risks and jump, Sagittarians. It's been a pleasure speaking with you. I'll see you again soon, and thank you so much for watching.